as I've kind of reflected on starting Laravel from Arkansas, which is not, it's not really like the Silicon Valley of the South or anything. There's just not a lot of distractions. There's a nice way of putting it. I was not, distracted by what other founders were doing or maybe what like the current hype cycle is, in tech. I really was just able to really lock in and focus on building Laravel. And I think that was actually really helpful. You can get pulled a lot of different directions when you're trying to start a company, and even when you're trying to like grow a product. And in the initial stages, when the product is still like very fragile from like a vision perspective, and you as the founder or the creator of the project are trying to like really solidify what the project's about and like what its core values are, there can be like a lot of voices and a lot of things pulling you in different directions. And sometimes I think if you're in the midst of that, you can sort of get swayed by others' opinions really early, while before the project has really solidified itself and found its footing. And I was always really careful of that. And I think being outside of Silicon Valley actually helped in that regard quite a bit, that I was able to sort of set Laravel on the path that I believed it needed to be on early without a bunch of distractions.